Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of gardening in small spaces. Do you have a tiny balcony patio or backyard? Don't let limited space stop you from growing your own herbs, vegetables, and flowers. Today, we're sharing our top tips and tricks for container gardening in small spaces. Let's get started. Selecting plants for small spaces. Not all plants are created equal when it comes to small spaces. Choose compact or dwarf varieties of herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary. For vegetables, consider leafy greens like lettuce, kale, and spinach. Cherry tomatoes and peppers are also great options. Don't forget about flowers like petunias, geraniums, and begonias that thrive in containers. Soil and fertilizer. Use a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for containers. Avoid using garden soil from your yard as it can compact and prevent proper drainage. Fertilize your plants regularly with a balanced fertilizer, and consider adding compost tea for an extra boost. Tips for maximizing space. Make the most of your small space by using vertical gardening techniques. Use trellises, arbors, or wall-mounted planters to train vining plants like peas, cucumbers, or tomatoes. Group containers together to create a microclimate and reduce watering frequency. Consider using self-watering planters or a drip irrigation system to save time and water. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't overwater your containers. Check the soil moisture regularly and avoid watering on rainy days. Provide enough sunlight for your plants, but avoid scorching them with direct afternoon sun. Rotate your containers regularly to ensure even growth and prevent leaning plants. With these tips and tricks, you're ready to start your own container garden in even the smallest of spaces. Remember to choose the right containers, select plants that thrive in small spaces, and provide proper care. Happy gardening, and don't forget to share your container gardening creations with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Here are some benefits of container gardening for small spaces. Space-saving container gardening allows you to grow plants in small or irregularly shaped spaces. Flexibility. Containers can be moved to different locations to optimize sunlight, temperature, or aesthetic appeal. Control. Containers provide better control over soil quality, moisture, and pests. Accessibility. Container gardens can be placed at a comfortable height, reducing bending and straining. Year-round gardening. Containers can be moved indoors or to protected areas during extreme weather.